Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a self-test and nozzle check on an Epson Stylus SX235W. Now for this we need the printer to be off, so I'm going to turn my machine off with the power button there. Now you can see the light's not green anymore, so the machine is off. Now what we need to do is hold down this button, which is the stop button, and the power button for 10 seconds. So here we go. And then release. Now your printer will check its ability to print and then finally spit out this page, which we'll take a look at now. Now as you can see, you get this tiny little hex gate which shows black, cyan, magenta and yellow that your printer can produce. And the idea is, with it being thin lines, it shows its ability to do text and bits like that. Unlike other machines, you don't get like a big solid block of text, but you should certainly see some lines or breaks if there was any issues. Hopefully that looks good for you. If it doesn't, we also have a video on our channel for how to do cleaning cycles for this printer, so I'd recommend checking that out. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.